How to install the Google Chrome browser on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily download and install the Chrome browser on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to download and install the Google Chrome browser. To get started, we need to open up the App Store, and we can do that by swiping from right to left on our iPhone until we get to the app library. Then in the search at the top, just type app. Select the App Store. Once the App Store loads, select the search icon in the bottom. And we just want to search at the top, Chrome. Once you've searched Chrome, you'll see Google Chrome come up. Go ahead and select it. And where mine has a cloud, it might say Get for you. So either select the cloud icon or Get. When you do that, it may prompt and ask you to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID to verify your identity before installing an app on your iPhone. So go through that process. Once it's done installing and it says open, select open, and that'll open up the Google Chrome browser on your iPhone. Now, if you have any Google apps on your phone already, it may find your account and you can link your Google Chrome browser to your account if you want to, but you don't have to. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm just not going to log in. And if you want to, you can make the Google Chrome browser your default browser on your iPhone rather than Safari. So to do that, select Make Default in Settings. It's going to open up the settings. And all you need to do is select Default Browser App and then choose Google Chrome. And then anytime you open up any links or anything like that, it'll open up in the Google Chrome browser automatically. So now you've installed the Google Chrome browser. You could start searching or typing in URLs or websites right here if you want to. You can also select the New Tab button at the bottom, and this will open up a new tab where you can search different websites, things like that. And if you want to see all the tabs you have open and switch between websites, just select the little box with a number in it right there, and it'll show you all the websites that you currently have open. Additionally, you can open up the settings by selecting the three dots in the bottom right. And in here, one thing that's useful is going to be your password manager. So if you saved any passwords in Google Chrome, you can view them there. You can also look at your history or find your bookmarks within that menu there as well, and any downloads that you've made inside the browser. So that's how you download and install the Google Chrome browser on an iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.